Hello everyone, welcome to SosinIAS Academy. There is a very peculiar and rare situation is going to come up in Tamil Nadu state. Why? Because no party has actually crossed the halfway mark to form the government. So basically Tamil Nadu has got around 234 seats of assembly. 118 are required to cross the halfway mark. That particular number of seats will help the party to actually come to the power. But at this point of time, neither the three important regional parties, TVK, DMK, AIDMK, none of them has got 118 seats, and the largest party at this point of time is TVK party, which has got around 108 seats. So now the Talapati Vijay requires 10 MLAs so that to form the government. At this point of time, this is called as hung assembly. Means assembly is not yet started. It is somehow hung. Why? Because there is no party to actually take over the government, because no party has actually got through the halfway mark. That particular situation is called as hung assembly. There are 3 or 4 important situations generally will happen with regard to in this kind of scenario. First is that parties will have a pre-poll alliance. Now TVK, DMK, AIDMK, they have no pre-poll alliance. Only DMK has with the Congress, and they did not get the majority mark. TVK does not have the pre-poll alliance, so that option has gone. The second is that the governor has the constitutional powers to call the leader of the largest party, which is the TVK Talapati Vijay party, to form the government. At that time, he can have the post-poll alliance. He can talk to Congress. He already ruled out that he is not going to go with AIDMK, DMK, or BJP. He either will take up some independent MLAs, I guess, or go with the Congress. That is what I feel. So post-poll alliance scenario is there. That is also not happening. Then the governor will call, then ask him to form the government. At that point of time, if the present sitting MLAs will say or give support, external support to the TVK party, then he will become the CM of the state. Then another important scenario is that if the no party is actually getting 118 mark and no party is supporting each other, and all of this happens and the situation continues like that, then the president rule will be imposed. That is also there. And one more important situation is floor test. Floor test is nothing but TVK stands in the assembly and says that I'll be having this many number of people with me 108, and some other MLAs will support. Hi, they will say. That's all. If that is also done, the speaker will say go ahead. That's all about it. I hope this is all clear to you, the meaning of hung assembly. Tell me that TVK will go with Congress or will go with independent small MLAs to form the government. What is your opinion? Do join SosinIAS Academy, my PSR test series classes and mentorship program in Ashok Nagar, Hyderabad. Have a nice day. Take care.